Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Samsung model and open Settings apps to see the YouTube version. Once done, make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi or 5G connection and that battery is above 20% because updates can pause otherwise. Sign into your Google account on the device if not already. This unlocks update delivery. Now, go to the Samsung apps or Galaxy Store. We'll use that to search for YouTube and begin the update process. You should now search for YouTube in the Galaxy Store or Samsung Smart Hub, type the name and select the app entry. If an update button appears, tap it. If not, choose Manage or About to check for updates or reinstall. Allow the store to request permissions and accept them because permission prompts stop installations. While downloading, keep the screen active and avoid switching networks. Once the download completes, wait for automatic installation. That completes the core update steps. You finish by opening YouTube and verifying the new version in the app settings about or via System App Info. If the update failed, clear the app cache and data, then force stop and attempt the update again, or uninstall and reinstall from Galaxy Store. Restart the Samsung device to resolve lingering issues and make sure your Wi-Fi, Google account sync, and storage space are adequate. If problems persist, check for system updates before retrying the app update. That often fixes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.